Welcome to my channel. Today we will make tomato rice and potato fry. For that I have taken one measure, that's about 200 grams of basmati rice. I have washed the rice 2 to 3 times and soaked it in clean water for about 20 to 30 minutes. I have taken 1 onion and 2 ripe tomatoes. I have cut the tomatoes and onion to small pieces. Now take 2 measures of water for 1 measure of rice and add 1 bay leaf, 2 green cardamoms, 1 small piece of cinnamon stick, 2 cloves and 1 petal of star anise. There is no need to add the whole star anise, just add 1 petal, which will give a mild flavor and the rice will be very tasty. Now let the water to boil. When the water is boiling, add about 20 to 30 grams of butter. If you don't use butter, you can add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil to the boiling water. Now drain the soaked rice and add the rice to the boiling water and mix. Add about half a teaspoon or salt as per your taste. Now add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to the rice. Adding lemon juice will cook the rice perfectly. Now mix and let it boil, and when the water is evaporated, place a lid on the rice and cook it on low flame for about 5 minutes, when the rice will be cooked perfectly. Now once the rice is cooked, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a kadai, and when the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. When the cumin seeds splutter and become slightly brown in color, add a sprig of curry leaves. When the curry leaves splutter and become crispy, add the cut onions and fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. I see that many of you are watching my channel without subscribing. It will be very encouraging if you are going to subscribe and then watch, so that it will help me to post many more recipes. Now fry the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes and add the cut tomatoes to it. The tomatoes should mash very well, so fry for 2 minutes and then place a lid and cook for 5 minutes, when the tomatoes will be mashed very well and the onions will also be very soft. To this add about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. If you need more spice, you can add more chilli powder. Fry for about 2 to 3 minutes till the raw smell goes. Now check the rice. This rice will be soft and very well cooked. Remove the masalas that we had, whole masalas that we had added, that's the cinnamon, cloves, bay leaves, and add the rice to the onion tomato mix. Keep the flame on low and cook for about 5 minutes. Mix the rice well, and this is a very tasty food. It's a whole meal. This can be taken for lunch or for dinner, and best for lunch box. The tomato rice is ready. Now as a side dish we will make potato fry. For this I have taken 5 large potatoes. I have cut them to small pieces, put them in water and have added half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of salt. The turmeric powder will give a mild color to it. Now when the potatoes are cooked, drain and let them cool. Take 2 Kashmiri red chillies for color and 2 cloves of garlic. You can put it in the microwave for 1 minute or add boiling hot water to it, which will make it soft. Keep it for 10 minutes. Now peel and cut the potatoes in this size or as per your wish. Now take the chilli that is soft and the garlic that is also soft, and put the chillies and garlic in a mixer grinder and add about 2 tablespoons of cut onions to it, and add half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder to the mixer grinder, and add salt as required to the mixer grinder. Make a fine paste and add it to the potatoes, and add 1 tablespoon of rice flour to it and half a teaspoon of sugar, so that the potato will roast evenly. Mix and keep the potato for 10 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil to a kadai, and when the oil is hot, take half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. When the mustard seeds and cumin seeds splutter and the cumins change color and become slightly brown, add 1 sprig of curry leaves. When the curry leaves are fried, add the potato, marinated potato, and cook for about 10 to 12 minutes on medium flame till the potatoes are well roasted. Now once the potatoes are roasted very well, it's a very good combination for the rice. The potatoes are well fried now. This fried potatoes and the tomato rice is a very good combination. Do not miss. Make this recipe, and do not forget to comment, so that it will be helpful for me to give you better recipes. Let us meet in the next video.